Welcome to our guide on how to create a YouTube channel and start earning money from the very first day. In this video, we'll walk you through every step you need to take to build a successful channel, find your niche, and monetize it quickly. Let's dive in. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, with over 2 billion monthly active users. It offers massive potential for those looking to share their knowledge, skills, or entertainment while making money. The first step is choosing a niche that you are passionate about and that has a proven audience. This could be anything from gaming, cooking, lifestyle, tech reviews, or even personal development. Research what's trending and where you can offer unique content. To start a YouTube channel, you'll need a Google account. If you don't have one, create it by going to the Google account page and filling in the required information. Once you have your Google account, head over to YouTube and create your channel. Customize it with a unique name that reflects your niche and brand. Customize your channel by adding a profile picture, a catchy banner, and an engaging description. This will help viewers understand what your channel is about and encourage them to subscribe. Next, plan your content, decide on your video topics, frequency, and style. Make sure to create a content calendar to keep your uploads consistent. Quality matters on YouTube. Use a good camera or smartphone, proper lighting, and quality audio equipment. Edit your videos to keep them engaging and professional. SEO optimization is key to getting discovered. Use compelling titles, detailed descriptions, and relevant tags. Create an eye-catching thumbnail to attract viewers. Engagement is critical to your growth. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and interact with your audience through community posts or live streams. You don't need thousands of subscribers to start earning. Use affiliate marketing, sponsorships, selling your products, or platforms like Patreon to make money from day one. Affiliate marketing is a great way to start. Sign up for affiliate programs related to your niche, share those links in your video descriptions, and earn a commission on every sale. Reach out to brands for sponsorships. Even with a small audience, you can find companies willing to sponsor your content if it aligns with their market. If you have your products or services like merchandise, ebooks, or online courses, promote them directly on your channel and drive traffic to your sales page. Consider enabling donations or setting up a crowdfunding page on platforms like Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee. Many viewers are willing to support their favorite creators directly. Once you meet the requirements, 500 subscribers and 3,000 public watch hours, you can join the YouTube Partner Program and earn from ads placed on your videos. Promote your channel on social media, join communities related to your niche, and collaborate with other creators to grow your audience faster. Regularly check YouTube analytics to understand what works and what doesn't. Use the data to refine your strategy and improve your content. Consistency is key. Stay committed, keep uploading regularly, and don't get discouraged by slow growth. Success on YouTube takes time and persistence. Now that you have the complete roadmap to start your YouTube channel and monetize it from day one, what are you waiting for? Start creating, start sharing, and watch your channel grow. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and comment if you want to know for more tips and tricks on growing your online presence and making money from your passion.